2015 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel, push-button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, climate control, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.